Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to give you a short video on the unit number 7 for class 2. Subject is English, and first of all, as usual, I'm telling you what this unit is about, what is telling you, and let's see. This unit helps us children to gain confidence by drawing us not just anywhere but getting an opportunity to draw on the class blackboard. When done by a sensitive teacher, this will sow seeds of self esteem and the I can feeling. Before beginning the class lesson, please observe the children's inclination for simple puzzles as in what will come next, like this. You can make all these things in your classroom on the blackboard and give an opportunity. Call the child to write, to complete such type of incomplete patterns, and then you can begin your lesson by telling the poem. On my blackboard I can draw. See, on my blackboard I can draw one little house with one green door, two brown gates that open wide, three red steps that lead inside, four little chimneys painted white, five little windows shining bright, six yellow marigolds straight and tall growing up against the wall. See, इस कंप्लीट पूरी पोएम में आप 1 से लेकर के बच्चे को कितनी सारे नंबर सिखाते हैं, शेप सिखाते हैं, उसकी ड्राइंग स्किल को डेवलप कर रहे हैं, उसको एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहे हैं टू थिंक एंड टू इमेजिन एंड देन टू ड्रॉ दैट थिंग ऑन द board. Okay, so children, it is a very small, short but sweet poem, and after learning this poem, you have to learn these words like gate, white, lead, chimney, marigolds, straight. Write all these words in your notebook 3 times and try to learn the spelling along with the pronunciation of these words. Now see the word, the reading is fun part. Here two questions are given. How many windows does the house have in this poem? How many windows? Five little windows shining bright means the house has five windows. Where do the marigolds grow? The marigolds grow growing up against the wall. Okay, now against the wall. And in this way, you will complete this work. These words you have to say in a loud voice: draw, brown, three, grow, drain, rain, throw, grapes, drip, brick, thread, gray. Means focus your pronunciation on the pronunciation of the R alphabet in all these words. Now let's listen. Next part is let's listen. Every room becomes dirty if not clean. Let's clean our classroom while singing this poem. I'm going to sweep the dirt away. I'm going to sweep the dirt away. I'm going to sweep the dirt away. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Okay, in this way you can enjoy this poem. You can clean your room in school or at your home also. Now let's write. This part you have to write down. These are the two rooms of the house. Color them based on this activity. Complete the paragraphs. Okay. See the picture of this room. This is my bedroom. It has one window. This one. The color of the bed is, you have to make it colorful. So you will write down the color. There are three pictures on the wall. Yes, one, two, and three pictures. Now, see this part of the room. This is the living room. It has television in it. We watch programs here, and it has dash curtains, means you have to give the colors. It has one table. See the table. Now, the next part of the exercise in this lesson, using the pictures as clues, fill in the blanks. See the picture and this written part. He is as busy as bee. Raj is slow as snail. The pen is as light as feather. My hair is as black as night. ask your friend to do. Okay, you just tell your friend, he will do for this for you. Keep his mouth wide open, then half shut, then fully shut. Then ask someone to close the door using the words wide open, half shut, and fully shut, so that you can learn these three positions. Now find the right sentences. You have to write the find the sentences, means read the pairs of sentences below. Fill in the blanks in the second sentence with the opposite of the words in the red. The boy is running very fast. The boy is walking very slow. The clown is very happy. The clown is very sad. The girl is walking on loose rope. The girl is walking on tight rope. Now, in the next part, change from singular to plural by adding es, ies, or ves. Okay, like buffaloes, heroes, potatoes, babies. In place of y, we have added ies. Flies, lady, ladies. And here, just observe, in place of f, we are using ves. Knife, knives. Wolf, wolves. Loof, loofs. And this is the fun time. You can crawl like a baby, crawl, crawl, crawl. You can hop like a grasshopper, hop, hop, hop. You can zoom like an aeroplane, zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay, children, and in this way you have completed the poem of unit number 7. Thank you for watching it.